Alright, the point of this video is to help you read through your documents carefully. Your teachers are looking for you to do two things on each of the documents. First, decide which viewpoint the document supports. Is this document saying the NBA should or should not do business with China? And then B, pick the best piece of evidence from the document to support the decision that you made. So looking down at our first document, here's what we meant with A. This document mainly believes in the NBA, and then you highlight your answer for those of you who are not as savvy. If you're saying that this document says they should do business with China, you're going to highlight that. Go up here to the highlight color, and then pick whatever wonderful color you choose. Let's just go with yellow. And then once you've decided that, you're going to copy some evidence here that you got from the text that explains the best piece of evidence that proves your point here. So, to start from the top here, you are trying to decide, is this document saying that the NBA should or should not do business with China? The first step should always be reading the title. Not just because the title is the first thing in the document, but because it's similar to a map title. If you read and understand the title, you're already going to understand everything below it a little bit better. So, document 1, U.S. leaders call for the NBA to stop doing business with China. So if you read the title, there's no way that you don't understand. Are they saying that we should do business with China or that we should not do business with China? Once you figure that out, once again, read the title. It'll be very helpful. You highlight one of the two. Now from there, you're thinking, okay, I'm going to have to explain my reasoning later on in this summative. So I need to have some evidence that I can quote later on or that I can use later on. So you read through this and you're like, okay, what was the best thing that was said? What proves this point over here? So let's just say that this document is saying that they should not do business with China. What sentence or piece of evidence can I pull and copy down here that best explains this point? Now it's really important that you give a good detailed answer here because later down in the document, which we'll get to later, you have to make a decision. Do you think that we should or should not do business with China? And then you're going to bring up evidence that you gathered later. So you're definitely going to need to use these. So make sure that you're doing so carefully. One last time, read the title. It helps you understand the text a lot better.